Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Okay. Thank you. Got one. Got something on the trap, guys. Oh my goodness, it's a crappie. Okay. Got the first one this morning. Let's get this little fellow back in the water. Let me bring him closer so you can see it because he's so small. Let's get him back. Thanks, guys. All right, let's get you off, get you back in the water. What in the world? 3. Place must be just full of crappie. Well, look like it's going to be a crappie day. Let's get him back. Another crappie. Another crappie. Another crappie, guys. Definitely gonna be a crappie day. I don't know where they. Let's see this. It's in their mouth. Not a crappie. You guys, I'm just getting back here on the water with Mr. Paul Man Bassin, the infamous Paul Man Bassin, known for catching big bass.
There you go.
Ain't no skunk with me, Mr. Patrick.
No, you got the right thing.
Yes, sir. Ouch. Sucker bit me. Hold still, buddy. Hold still, buddy. I got a plenty of them. I'm pretty sure you do too. Got on the first one, guys. Hey guys, out here in this secluded place today, and guess who I got with me?
Paul Man's bassing, y'all.
The mega Paul Man bassing. And by the way, got on my first one, you guys. Let's keep it moving. See what we get.